Hi, welcome. I'm Marta Valle with Realty One Group MVP. Today I'm at an open house here at 5590 Agostino Way in Ave Maria, Florida. This is a Huntington. It's the largest single story in this area of Silverwood, and this particular one has something really special. It has a very big cage in the back and a really gorgeous preserve view that I will show you. So please stay tuned and let's go and see it. So this is a 1630 square foot home, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a 1-car garage. It was built in 2022. You can see this front porch is screened in. There's a lot of really nice upgrades. So the first thing you see, it's all tiled throughout. It has this beautiful tan paint. It's very soft. A lot of extra lighting and a lot of really nice light fixtures. Another thing you see here are 8-foot doors. So right away here to the right you have the 2 bedrooms. This one is the one in the middle. And you have zebra blinds throughout the whole house. And then this one is the one in the front. Here's the view of the front. You have here this street, so it looks more open, which is really nice. And then over here to the right you have the laundry, and there's another added upgrade over here, and those are the cabinets, very large cabinets. There's an upgrade here on the height of the sink, very nice light fixtures, zebra blinds. And then over here, the tub, you see it's all really meticulously maintained. It's tiled to the ceiling. Very pretty. So let's go and check out over here the kitchen. Kitchen is very upgraded. So those cabinets are 42-inch cabinets. That's an upgrade on the height. Usually there's a pantry over here which was converted to a cabinet as well. So it looks really pretty. And over here you can add pendants, so that's another added upgrade. Extra recessed lighting. And here's the dining area, the living area. Really, really nice. Let me show it from here. So pretty. It has a really nice feel, this home. And I can already show a little bit here. The view is really, really incredible. Such a nice preserved view. You can just imagine entertaining there or just resting. So restful. This here is the master bedroom with a fan, and it also has a sliding glass door with a view of the beautiful preserve. And you can go out to the cage from here. There are 2 walk-in closets. The one on the right actually has custom closets. And the one on the left is also a really nice size with a rack, the wide rack. Let me show you the master bathroom now. You have the shower over here, tiled to the ceiling, and a frameless glass door. Beautiful tiles here on the flooring, and you see also how clean those are. The grout is impeccable. And then also here the beautiful lighting here, and then matching lighting over here in the bathroom. Really pretty. So let me quickly show you the garage. Well, actually, let me show you first the outdoor garage. It's a 1-car garage with its epoxy floored, epoxy flooring. So this here, look how pretty this is. Really nice. Such a nice view. Oh my goodness. You can hear the birds. It's really pretty. Actually, before, when somebody came by, there were these two herons that just flew by. Really gorgeous. Let me see. Just go out here so I can show you better. still have all this space here behind. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, so let me show you now the garage. Here the garage has epoxy flooring. It's a one-car garage. It has some extra shelving over here and over here. And then there's the water heater. Please give me a call with any questions about Ave Maria or this house or any other resales or new construction. My phone number is right here, and I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. Thank you and God bless you.